Hi mga ka-freelancers! It's end of the first quarter ng 2019 and it's time to file and pay our tax obligations. Pero yan ay kung meron ka lang namang binabayarang tax every quarter. Pero gusto ko lang ding i-share sa inyo na nung time na magpa-register ako as self-employed or freelancer sa BIR, na-classify ako as a non-VAT taxpayer kasi less than 3 million ang aking annual income. And ang in-avail kong tax during that time is 3% percentage tax plus graduated income tax. Tapos kailangan ko siyang i-file quarterly, pareho yon. Pero very recently kasi may na-discovery ako dahil sa train law. Meron ng 8% income tax na pwedeng i-avail ang mga freelancers or self-employed. Siyempre, bago ko pumasok sa mga ganyan, gusto ko na intindihan ko siya. So, inaral ko, ikinumpara ko siya doon sa kasalukuyang tax na binabayaran ko. And, na-realize ko na ang laki ng matitipid ko kung sakaling i-avail ko siya. Tapos, mawawala na rin si percentage tax na quarterly kong fina-file. Madidisregard na siya. Tapos, yung income tax naman, annually ko na siya ipa-file. Kaya lang may isang problema. Hindi pa ako makapunta ng BIR ngayon dahil ang schedule ko is kapareho ng operating hours ng BIR. So, hindi talaga ubra. Kasi ang sabi sa akin, isusurrender ko daw yung luma kasi papalitan nila ng bago. Babaguhin na yung mga tax type doon. Siyempre, tatanggalin na yung percentage tax. Papalitan na ng, ang naka-indicate na lang, 8% income tax. Pero dahil nga wala akong time magpunta ngayon, ang gagawin ko is magfa-file pa rin ako ng percentage tax ngayong quarter, pero i-avail ko na si 8%. Kasi pwede naman siya, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung paano. Kasi, ang gusto ko kasi makaiwas sa penalty nga. Pero hanggat maaari, kung ikaw may time kang pumunta ng RDO mo para ipa-update si COR, mas nire-recommend ko yon. Pero kung katulad kita na walang time, busy sa work, sa family, sa kids, for the meantime, for this quarter lang, pwede naman siya. Just make sure, kasi ako by May, ang plano ko, by May, dahil malilipat na ako ng graveyard shift that time, bago pa dumating yung deadline ng income tax, ipapa-update ko na yung aking certificate of registration. Para yung mga susunod na quarter, hindi ko na po problemahin kasi ang mangyayari nga, annual na lang ako mag-file ng income tax. Pero, katulad nga ng nabanggit ko kanina, kung gusto mong makaiwas sa penalty, pero gusto mo nang maka-avail ng 8% at wala kang time pumunta ng RDO, continue watching the video and I'll show it to you guys. And if in case may mga additional information pa akong posibleng makatulong sa inyo, I'll make sure to share it with you guys. Just make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel para lagi kayong updated. So, let's now proceed with the video tutorial.
So, first things first, make sure meron ka ng eBIRForm na naka-install sa iyong computer or laptop. And para din yung mobile app na every now and then nag-update kasi hindi siya automatic. So, you have to regularly check on the BIR website for the latest version. You can also simply go to Google and then search for eBIRForms. Tapos, click mo lang yung unang search result. You can also bookmark this page if you want for easy access. How to update your eBIRForm. Simply scroll down and then under offline eBIRForms package, you can download the latest version here. Click mo lang dito. Ito yung una mong gagawin bago ka pa mag-file ng kahit anong tax return. Hindi mo rin kailangang i-delete yung current eBIRForm na nasa yung computer kasi we're just trying to update it. So, once prompted, simply click on Save. Next is to open the zip file na dinownload mo. Then, extract the file. Once it's complete, double-click here. Tapos, click on Install Anyway. Kapag lumabas na yung setup wizard, click on next, then next lang ulit, next, tapos install. Again, we're just updating the app, so wala kang babaguhin sa destination location, and click on finish once done, tapos delete all the files na dinownload mo, including the extracted files. So now, it's time to file our taxes. Open the eBIR form, and for now, I'm gonna use a non-existing TIN for tutorial purposes. But on your end, you must enter your TIN and other personal information kung first time mong gumamit ng eBIR form. Kung hindi naman, your saved information will automatically show up once you key in your tax number. Then next is to click the drop-down menu under list of BIR forms and look for 2551Q version 2018. So ito po yung rason kung bakit natin ina-update ang ating eBIR form dahil po sa mga bagong version ng tax forms. And once you have selected the correct tax form, click on fill up and then OK. On number 1, choose calendar. Number 2, make sure tama yung taon, 2019. Number 3, choose a first quarter. Number 4, amended return, choose no. Number 5, number of sheets attached. Wala naman akong i-attach. So, I'm gonna leave it as it is. Let's go to the background information. As you'll notice, from 6 to 11 is already filled out. So, let's proceed with number 12. Are you availing of tax relief under Special Law International Tax Treaty? Syempre no, wala naman ako niyan. On number 13, it says here, it's only for taxpayer whose sales or receipts are subject to percentage tax. What income tax rates are you availing of? So, ito na yung binabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, guys. It also says here na this is to be filled out only on the initial quarter, which is ngayon yan, first quarter ng taon. And linawin ko na rin lang, guys, magkaiba po yung pag-file ng percentage tax sa pag-file ng income tax. Nagkakataon lang po na naaapektuhan yung halaga ng babayaran mong percentage tax depende sa income tax rate na i-avail mo. Now, just to show you the difference, and para malinawan po kayo bakit nga ba mas ginusto ko ng mag 8% kesa graduated, I'll first show you po kung anong magiging tax rate ko on my percentage tax kung ang i-avail ko pong income tax ay graduated. So, kung mapapansin mo, pwede mag-enter ng amount dito. Pero to actually compute for the percentage tax, we'll have to go to page 2. And under ETC number 1, ang pinipili ko dyan is PT010, which is person exempted from VAT. And yung tax rate niya is 3%. So, sabihin na natin 62,000 yung total sales receipt ko for the quarter. So, the form will automatically compute for the 3%. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-calculator. And if you'll notice, umaabot rin ng halos 2,000 yung binabayaran ko just for percentage tax. Bukod pa po yan sa income tax. So, malaki-laki din. Pero, saan ko po ba nakuha yung 62,000? Yan po yung aking total sales receipt from January to March. So, if you try to go back to page 1, mapapansin mo na yung total tax due na nasa page 2, automatic na ding mapupunta sa page 1. So, no need to retype or compute. So, what happens if you avail of the 8% income tax rate? So, once you click the 8% income tax rate sa number 13, mapapansin nyo na yung items of 14 to 24 is grayed out. And if you try to go to page 2, ganun din eh. Ano na rin siya, grayed out, tapos hindi na rin accessible yung drop-down menu sa column ATC. So, bakit nagkaganon? Kasi once na mag-avail ka ng 8% income tax, magiging exempted ka na sa percentage tax. It just so happened na hindi ko pa kasi napapa-update yung aking COR or Certificate of Registration. So, to avoid penalties, I still have to file 2551Q this quarter. Pero once na mapa-update ko na yon, then there's no need for me to file this form anymore. So next step is to file this form by clicking on Validate at the very bottom of the page, tapos click OK. Then click on Submit the Final Copy. Then you will be prompted na kailangan mo ng stable internet connection for this process, so just click OK. And then click OK lang ulit. So just wait kasi the form is now being sent to BIR. It may take some time, pero once the submission is successful, just click OK, tapos click Close. And I also highly recommend you guys to print out a copy of this. Kahit pa no payment return yan, mas maganda na meron kang hard copy. And you may also want to print out the BIR filing confirmation na marireceive mo via email. So, let me just open my Gmail account to show you guys kung anong itsura niya. So, ito siya. Tax Return Receipt Confirmation. So, as you can see, nakalabel pa yan because I want things to be organized talaga. So, may option din dyan to print out the email. So, just print it out. Ito kasi yung proof na na-receive na ni BIR yung ipinasa mong tax form via eBIRForms. So, I'll keep you posted mga ka-freelancers kapag na-update ko na ang aking certificate of registration, and I'll also keep you in the loop regarding additional information on how to file and pay your taxes as a freelancer. Subscribe to my YouTube channel today. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram.